I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must be an administrator to change K7 firewall settings, so log into that account now. Once done, create a quick restore point or note current firewall rules to revert if needed. Open K7 Total Security from the System tray or Start menu. Make sure no other antivirus interfaces are running because they can conflict. Now go directly into the K7 main dashboard and locate the Protection or Firewall section to begin disabling steps. You're in the Firewall tab, read the brief warning, then toggle the firewall off. When a confirmation dialog appears, accept it so the rule engine stops applying policies. If the toggle is grayed out, press Windows +R, Run Services. MSC, find K7 Firewall Service or K7 Security Service, right-click and stop it. Make sure to also check running K7 processes in Task Manager and end them if they block changes. This forces the GUI to reflect the disabled state. After stopping the service, verify the firewall shows disabled inside K7 and test network access to confirm changes. If you need protection while troubleshooting, enable Windows Firewall briefly so you're not exposed. If K7 refuses to disable, reboot to safe mode and attempt the service stop or run the K7 removal utility provided in Programs and Features. This resolves stubborn agents. One tip: if settings are locked by policy, check for corporate management or group policy before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.